Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, welcome back, and today we've got an Amazon package. Yes, that's right, and I'm really happy with this package because it didn't cost me anything. Yes, if you download the game Just Play via the App Store on Android, you can get this game called Just Play. You play free games, and of course you get yourself free products. This was $1.99 painting. I only saw it the other day, and it took 2 days to get to the £2 that I needed for the voucher. And the way forward now is anything that I want from Amazon, I'm just going to keep playing and playing and playing, rather than contribute to it. I think it's just a wonderful app. The amount of free stuff I've got through it is just fantastic. So yeah, so we're going to get into this. It's a very, very exciting one, and we'll get into it and see what we've got. Oh, it's a rolled up one. I thought it was going to be a flat one, but this came at 10 o'clock. Oh, it looks good. This came at 10 o'clock this morning because I used a different locker. The Chapek one seems to take like till the afternoon, but saying about the sunglasses locker, that's like always tends to be really early, but oh, it looks so good. Now, this is obviously one from a film, but I can't remember what the film is. So this is a 30 times 40. It feels really strange having a free painting, because obviously I didn't pay for it, Just Play did, so it's quite interesting. By the way, I just want to clarify, I'm not collaborated or affiliated in any way, shape or form with Just Play. It's just a game that I play, that I get Amazon vouchers that I pay out for this. So I just want to make that clear, because obviously I don't want people thinking that I'm in partnership with them. I'm really not. I just get free products by playing the game. And in here, oh wow, oh yes, look at this, guys. Oh my god. Right, you know what, this is super gorgeous. Look how beautiful the print is. Oh wow. Now it actually feels a lot bigger than the 30 times 40. It might be a bit bigger, but people in the reviews did say that it was coming up a little bit darker, and I thought, oh my god, I've got to have that. So I was playing like mad trying to get it, because I wasn't sure. I had this feeling that the price would increase, but look at that, guys. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous, little bunny? Oh yes, this is gonna be a really good one. And we've got a figure. It's an animal, but it's like a figure. And heavy colour block sessions here, especially this H going round. We have ourselves 24 colours in this, and I am super excited for this right now. So we've got our standard boat here with the little wax there. Apologies for the shadow, it has just turned 4 o'clock here, and of course, although the light's on, it creates a shadow. So let's take a look at the drills. Oh yes, look at this, lovely. So we've got ourselves a white, a chocolate brown, an orange, a pink, a black, an orange, a red, a purple, I don't know what that one would be. What do you guys think? I don't know. It's like a browny sort of butterscotch colour. And we've got Monkey Army Green, or diarrhea if you like. It looks like shit. It does though. It's a really dirty looking colour, doesn't it? Then we've got brown, a light blue, another light blue. We've got a darker blue. We've got a brown. We've got that gorgeous minty blue. I love that colour. And then we've got a peach, an orange, a brownie colour, a green, a dark blue, a grey, a black, and a pink. So I am absolutely love it. I think that's absolutely fantastic. That is absolutely gorgeous. I really like this, and I really want to get this started. So I'm gonna have to get some more storage cases, or get whip and chatting, because I want to get this started. This looks so lovely, and even we've got like a little, looks like a little rat or something in there. Obviously it's some traffic cone thing. Not a traffic cone, it's like a, oh, it looks like a dinosaur up there. But it's obviously something to do with traffic. In America, they have their traffic lights hanging from like a rope, whereas we have them on a on a lamppost thing. But this is gorgeous. it really is a beautiful painting. I'm really happy and well worth the playing the game, because it does take a long time. You know, you've got to play constantly to get these vouchers, and it's not like £1. The amounts vary. The more you play, the more you get. The less you play, the less you get. So yeah, it took 2 days to reach the goal, and wow, very, very happy indeed. Didn't cost me anything. So really, really happy. As I said, download Just Play. It only works on Android for some apparent reason. So get Just Play, and you can join me and many of the billions and thousands of people that play that and get free stuff like myself. But anyway, let me know in the comments what you think of this. I really, really love it. I can't wait to start it. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.